All right, this is the day we've been waiting for. I've been telling you guys, I've been promising you guys that this summer is gonna be better. It's gonna be much fun, upgrades, updates. You know, now it's new equipment, and guys, these are designed in the United States of America. It comes from Arlington, Washington, Seattle, which is the headquarters for Outback. That's where Outback is stationed. So guys, this is the thing here. So let's check it out, shall we? They're kind of special boxes. I've been waiting for this. I know you guys are curious as well, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. So we're gonna open up the box and see whatever is in there. Or if you wanna know what is in the box, give a like, subscribe, and share to the video, because the main unboxing is gonna be happening soon. This is just a preamble, or this is just a preview for what is gonna happen inside our box. You see the name right there? Outback Power Systems. www.outbackpower.com. Well, you guys know me about my Outback systems. You know how everything is working, and guys, I'm excited just like you guys. So, and maybe more than you guys. You guys probably gonna be more excited to see what is in there. Like I said, if you want to know what's in there, subscribe, like, and share this video. Love you guys all. JW Solo USA, Minnesota Live.